How to clear cache in Sora 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear all the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So now we in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Now here on the right bottom, simply tap on clear data. Here there are two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and hit on OK. Now it will take some time. Now you can restart the app and open the app again. So after you do that, there won't be any lags and your app will run smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.